Okay, so first you're going to go to bit.ly, bitly.com. And there's two ways you can do it. I have an account that I set up where I signed up and it keeps all of the links that I've created for myself, and then I can customize them. You know, like mine says Miss Purrier. If you have something that you just want to shorten, so like this is a video, a PBS that I'm watching, I can copy it and then go back to bit.ly and shorten it right here without creating an account. So now it's shorter. But I suggest you go ahead and sign up. See how it does the signups. I don't remember. Pricing quote. No, not at all. Basic customize. Oh, free. Here you go. Free. Up to 50 a month. That's what you want because anybody got time to pay for something. So get started on that free for a month. And then I would sign in with your Google for JCPS. Let's see. And there it goes. So I'm going to go back and show you from my perspective. So because it remembers me, I'm going to log in. So once I have what I want, I'll log in. And I'm ready to create. So right here at the top, I can hit the create button. I'm going to go ahead and put that wonderful PBS that I'm watching. So it's this cool documentary on how African American girls are punished more in public schools. So I'm watching that. And so what I like to do right now, if you look, that's the bit.ly customized. So if I want to just like kind of change that up, like pbs.org, I can put push out, maybe. Okay, and save. Yeah. Oh, it's taken. All right. Anyway, so it'll have things ready for you to go. So let's go back to, let me show you something a little bit different. So, oh, no, no, here we go. Blogspot. Let's see if this will do a better job. Copy, bit.ly. Let's do a create again, paste it. Come on now, paste. So now it created it. And so if I want to customize it like I did earlier, because all that's just me is just gobbledygook, and I don't like gobbledygook. I like things to be like easy. That was JCPS library blog. So now it's customized for me that I like. So link has been edited. Now I can copy to share. That's in a, I can go put it wherever I want. I can share. And then, oh gosh, I don't remember what it was. So over here are all of the other bit.ly links that I made. So here is the NIT website that I made. Here is my library that I made. Here's a YouTube channel, my YouTube channel that I made. Here's the press. So that way, when I forget my little shortcuts, they're all saved here for me. So that's how you create a bit.ly. I know Google has a shortener too, but this one works for me because it's what I'm used to and it keeps things for me. So I hope that helps you. Give me email, shout out if you need more help than that.